We are in room 823 at the Dayton House. And look at this, when you first come in, you've got the sink that's supposed to be with the bathroom. Here's the bathroom. Oh! Oh no! They have a safe key, which you can request when you go in front. Full refrigerator, full oven, even a little microwave. And then here's the room. And it's a queen.
998, 999.
Thankfully the carpet is very clean. But look at this room. We got it on hotels.com and total cost is $104 for the night of New Year's Eve. Look at that. Look at that view. We're on the 8th floor and wow. And you could even see if you go in the wheel for the main coastal strip of Myrtle Beach.
Find this hardcover Visit Myrtle Beach book. And it tells you like your checkout times, where your ice machine is and stuff like that. But it also has all these coupons in it. Coupons in a hardcover book for restaurants and parasailing. Take 2. Coupons for restaurants and parasailing. So Sandy is questioning me. What am I supposed to do with the book? Go just run with it to the restaurant? Tear a page out?
You can also take a photo of it, I guess. Is there an expiration date on there?
Oh, I did not look. Stop.
It probably also gives you a link on where you can find those coupons on your phone. So you don't need to take the book with you. You don't need to tear out a page. But it does give you a great guide of where you can go to eat.
They do offer free complimentary breakfast inside the Rose Room. Let's check it out. So as you can see, they have yogurt and granola, hard-boiled eggs, 2 different types of fruits, and they actually have people that are going to be serving it to you. They've got eggs, they've got 2 different types of grits, including cheese grits. They've got link sausage, that round pork sausage, they've got the potatoes, biscuits and gravy. They don't make your waffles for you, that you have to do yourself, but I definitely know how to make some waffles. That'll do it. And as you can see, it's a pretty big room with a lot of natural lighting.
So just to let you know, this is not at all connected to the hotel. It's actually on the other side of the parking lot. They do give you a map when you check in, so they'll tell you exactly where to go.
But for a complimentary breakfast, it is basically one of the only ones out here in Myrtle Beach from all the places we've stayed.
Yeah, I had no idea that they had this, and they have it really running nicely. There's a lot of people in there, but they have you going through, they serve you breakfast, they have a waffle station with like, what, 6 different waffle machines? That was cool.
Yeah, so if you see a long line, don't fret. They know how to move it pretty quick.
Yeah, no problems finding seating either. It was really great. And you're right steps away from the beach, so you could also take your breakfast there.
That's right.
They have to-go containers.
From the beach point of view, the Dayton House is these 3 blue buildings right in front of us. And I like how they even have this grassy spot with all the beach chairs so you can hang out for those people like me that don't like sand but still want to catch those rays. Got a lot of chairs to choose from. One thing about those lounge chairs, don't bring them on the beach. They don't like that. Not open currently while I'm filming this, but this is like a poolside bar. And I think they even sell like burgers and stuff like that when they're open also. And check this pool out. No stairs needed. It looks like you just walk right into the water. Yep. And this pool here goes outside and inside. Even have a sauna. in here. That's free for hotel guests. Looking for more fun photos and maybe little mini videos that we didn't include in this video you're watching now?
Be sure to check out our TikTok, our Instagram, and our Facebook pages.
And we're gonna put those links also in the description down below.